Hey, looking for a really nice standing desk? Yes, I am sitting right now. I'm showing you this is at the lowest point. So if you want to sit down, you can sit down like this. Pretend I'm on a desk. I've got a couch here, but you can be at your desk. I like this. It's made of maple. It's a good sized desk. I'd say compact. It's not going to be, it's enough to probably put your monitor on it, maybe a couple monitors, your laptop or your computer. It's going to work really well there. And it is light, which is good, but at the same time, it's also sturdy. So it's not going to move around a lot. I hate those standing desks that just move around too much. It does have some wheels, and so you can wheel around a little bit, which is nice if you need to move it, but it's not going to be rolling when you're trying to do whatever you want, whenever you're sitting at your desk. Okay, so in order to get it to be a standing desk, you just press this lever here, and I'm going to show you as far as how it goes up. It's really easy. It's good to see that the springs are working really well, and so now I'm sitting here. It's actually a pretty good height for me at the highest level where I can actually stand and work. And then when I'm ready to put it back down again, I'll just press this and push it down. Okay, so overall, I really like this. It was really easy to put together. You'll be up and running in no time. If you're looking for an affordable standing desk that you don't plug in, that's not electronics, more of a manual design, this is going to be a great one for you here. So glad to have this, and I'm definitely looking forward to using this going forward.